Jonathan Lee Ridges Investigates. I am in Hoover, Alabama, covering the Carlee Russell kidnapping hoax case. Carlee Russell faked the kidnapping. Remember when she claimed to authorities that she saw a toddler along the side of Interstate 459? Well, she got arrested, booked, and she has court Wednesday, October 11th at 2 p.m. Tomorrow, she has court, and I will be there at the Hoover Municipal Building covering her case. Now, let's talk about Carlee. I believe I spotted her today leaving her house. I believe I saw her as a driver in a silver type sedan vehicle, leaving her house with an escort with a black Nissan behind her. I'm going to show you footage because after they left, I wanted to see what they were up to. Where was Carlee going? Was she going to go get her hair did, nails done, eyebrows plucked before her infamous perp walk into the courthouse? That's what I suspected. But as I was trying to see where they were going, this black Nissan started following me. That same Nissan, that black Nissan, was following me last time I was covering the case. So they're probably on to JLR. I'm at Hoover Police Department, by the way. Tried to get some open records in reference to Carlee, but a lot of it's exempt, they told me. I actually filed an open records request about the prior police contact to Carlee Russell's parents' home, and they denied it. So I went to find out why it was denied, and it was explained by a lieutenant that a lot of the laws the lieutenant was very cooperative. It said, you know, Alabama has one of the tightest public information laws out there. Well, let me show you this footage. Let me show you this footage of, I think it's Carlee leaving the house today in a silver vehicle. Suspecting Carlee is getting all make-upped up, maybe even a nice outfit before she walks that sidewalk into the Hoover Municipal Building. What's going to happen in court? Also, is the Hoover Police Department here, are they going to additionally charge Carlee Russell with more charges or charge her parents? Because it's still unknown where Carlee Russell was for those 49 hours. Where do you think Carlee Russell was for those 49 hours while people were out there, volunteers, women, children, other victims, families of kidnappings and tragedies were out there looking for her? Where do you think she was? Also, will her parents be charged with anything? We know they went on national TV after Carlee was found, and they said out of their own mouth they believe Carlee and that she was really kidnapped. What's going to happen with that? The Alabama Attorney General is prosecuting the case. Will there be a resolution when Carlee goes to court? Is there going to be some sort of sides plea deal? Or is it full throttle and she's going to, they're shooting for the max with her? Will she accept the responsibility? Will she apologize for action? Will they give a statement? Prosecution, police, defense, Carlee Russell, her parents, Emery, her attorney, the other attorney with her. Will they give some sort of statement outside the courthouse? I'll be out here covering this case extensively. Subscribe to my channel. Like, hit the notification button. JLR Investigates. I am out on the scene. We will talk soon. Stay tuned.